Después de Bishita of the Bishita, vice-presidente de América Joe Biden, nosso primeiro-ministro aproveitar sua visita na América para passar a ser senador Joseph Kennedy III.
We are extremely happy that we have been received today by Congressman Joseph Kennedy III. Extremely happy because not only is it great for the United States to see young public servants, but also coming from a family that have dedicated their life to public service, and the fact that the sentiment and the feeling of continued service for not only Massachusetts, but the United States as a whole, lives up in the Kennedy family is a great inspiration, I'm sure, for the United States, but also in all parts of the world. The Kennedy family name and the history and the commitment to supporting those more in need and having always given also light of hope to people that sometimes feel abandoned and don't necessarily feel that they have a voice in this world. I've always found in the Kennedy family and the Kennedy president and Robert Kennedy, the grandfather of Joseph, a voice and a recognition, and the fact that that legacy is being continued today by you is quite an honor, coming from a family that is also many generations in politics. I understand the feeling and I understand the conviction, and so very proud to follow your career and to be here with you today.
Thank you.
On behalf of the people of Aruba, a lot of success.
Honored. Mr. Prime Minister, I just want to say that how honored I am that given your time in the United States, that you would spend some time here with me. You've been an extraordinary friend to me and my family now for quite some time. And your words mean more to me than I think you probably recognize, given your own family's commitment to the people of Aruba, now for generations, and your commitment to public service. What you hear from me and my family, and your friendship with my father, and friendship with my brother, is the United States stands ready to continue to be a good friend to Aruba, the Aruban people. And however we can be supportive, we will continue to be.